Okay, today we're going to be replacing a side mirror on a Chev Express van, and it's pretty easy. There's just 3 bolts underneath this molding piece here, and we'll replace it. The mirror here, I have the new one here in the box. Actually, a new one, a new reproduction, I should say. This one here was around $110, and the one from a wrecking yard, if it had to be shipped in, was going to be $130, so I went with the new reproduction. Okay, so you can just take this just pops right off. There's this one retainer there. Okay, now that we've taken our trim piece off, we have 3 nuts we have to take out, and they're 10 millimeter, and we can replace it with our new mirror. When you're ordering these mirrors, make sure that you specify what you want. See, this one here actually has 2 mirrors on it, and some come with just one solid mirror, others are power mirrors. This is just a manual mirror with the two separate mirrors. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off with 10 millimeter. Okay, I've taken out the 3 nuts here. Especially with this nut here that's inside the door, be careful you don't drop the nut, because you're going to have to be fishing for it down in the hole, or you have to take the door panel off in order to get the nut out. So this just pulls out. Okay, and there you go. That's what it looks like on the other side, and the mirror, it has like a foam seal there, and that comes with your new one. Okay, so the new mirror, pretty nicely packaged here. It is a nice bag here, and there we go. Okay, so as you see, it has the seal that goes on it. It just has caps over the ends of the bolts in order to protect them, but that's the same as your other mirror. Okay, and I'm just going to line that up and get the nut started, and we'll tighten it on there and put the trim piece back on, and the job should be about done. Okay, so our mirror's back on. Fastened tightly. Okay, now if this had been a power mirror, you would have had to taken the door panel all apart. You would have taken it off to disconnect the wiring. There's a plug in here that you'd have to disconnect in order to get the mirror off. But like I showed you before, the 3 nuts are done securely. I have the trim piece here. It just lines back up there. Oops. Yeah, it goes in like that. Okay. Notches in the bottom. Snaps into place. There you go. And that's how you replace the side mirror on a Chev Express van.